Managing gameplay is just like managing other learning activities in your classroom. You'll know you're on the right track when you see your students helping each other, having fun, and reflecting on what they're learning.
Mark it first. Good, good. Get 9. So yellow gets 1. Oh, you get that. I get 1. Remember, it's only the mushroom.
Green.
I only have 1 mushroom. Oh, that's the 9.
You thought that was
Who's the game master?
Oh yeah.
Okay, Nicole, you shouldn't even be reaching there.
So, how do you manage gameplay? Step 1. Think about how you manage your classroom. A game isn't some sort of special zone where anything goes. Before using a game, think about rules and procedures you already have in your classroom. Leverage those to manage gameplay. For example, what are your rules for cleaning up after an activity? Review those rules with your students and apply them here. Step 2. Everyone plays a role. Depending on the type of game you're using, you may want to create student roles. One role may be a material manager who hands out, organizes, and collects game pieces. Other roles could be a timekeeper, note taker, or scorekeeper. Step 1. Be a facilitator, not a firefighter. Even if the answer to a question is a simple yes or no, guide your students to discover the answer on their own. And if several students have the same question, stop gameplay and have a quick class discussion about that question. Step 2. Iterate and improvise. If there's a common concern that develops, go ahead and make changes to the game right then and there. Who knows, you might create a unique game that opens up new learning for your students. Step 3. Be a cheerleader. Support students in their learning through gameplay. Keep an eye out for great moves or successful strategies that occur and share them with the class. Step 4. Wrap it up. Plan ahead for the possibility that your students might not fully finish the game by the end of class. So make sure you're clear on how you return to the game. Gather feedback. For example, ask your students what they learned from the game, what they liked and disliked, and what they might change about the game. Thanks for watching. Now go ahead and try it in your classroom. Next, to learn how to assess student learning during and after gameplay, check out the video on game assessment.